Hi all. Gerald here. How are you? I hope you guys are doing well. I'm here to tell you guys that I have an English channel where I will post videos. The channel will be a series of videos called Doune Adventures. Let's keep repeating it, Doune Adventures. Doune Adventures. Doune Adventures are here to stay. Friday will be our day. Before going any further, please click the subscribe button. Then hit the notification button to be notified each time I publish a new episode. You won't be disappointed. You will enjoy every minute. Guarantee. Let's go right back to Doune. Shall we? Doune's adventure is a depiction of life in Haiti and in the diaspora as an immigrant. Doune knows Haiti, in and out. Doune has been everywhere. In the villages, the cities, the capital, and in diaspora. Doune knows the us and customs, the good and the bad. Doune will be using her personal journey, experience of loved one, friends, and others to teach, raise awareness, give life skills and techniques to jungle life, swim, navigate and survive life and relationship through difficult times. Who is Doune?
It's a girl, a small town girl who moved to the capital for some better life. It's a girl, no family, no friends, a high school diploma, it's all that she had. But when she stand up to speak, everybody stopped to hear what she has to say. Then she told them, take a little share, we have a lot to discuss about. We have a lot to talk about. We have a lot to discuss.
Doune is that Haitian girl. Doune is that village girl. Doune is that big city girl. Doune is each of us. Doune is everywhere. Doune is part of the upper and lower class. Doune in the private sector. Doune in the public sector. Doune everywhere. Doune everywhere. Doune's adventure will give it to you, will bring it to you, and will make you live it. Doune is in you. Let's that Doune comes to life.
Doune adventure, Pral depoze. Les aventures de Doune, Pral depoze.
What should you do? Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Just that? Are you sure? Oops. Hit the notification button. Like and share each video. I love you all. One love. Thank you for supporting me. Gerald.